Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, ventilated seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, aluminum wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.